video, I'm going to be dropping 3 steps you can take. These steps are like very popular and a lot of people still tend to overlook them. These are the 3 steps that can make you a profitable trader as fast as possible if you follow them. I repeat, if you follow them, take them as importantly as they should be taken. Number 1 is risk management. Risk management is top of the list because that is the most important thing in trading. Despite any other thing anyone tells you, if you cannot manage your risk, if you don't know how to manage your risk, you're not going anywhere, because capital preservation, protecting your capital, is the only thing that is going to allow you see the next day trading. If you can't protect your capital today, you don't have what to trade with tomorrow. So risk management is number 1 on this list. Make sure you manage your risks. Take this as important as possible. If you're risking, make sure you have a plan set for your risk management, maybe 5 to 10% a trade on an account. As the account grows, due to percentage, the amount you risk is growing. What I mean is, you have a $1,000 account, you're risking 10%, $100. You grow the account to 2,000. Now that 10% is $200. So make sure you're looking at your account with percentages, not the numbers. Secondly is discipline. Learn to be disciplined. The word is just short, but this word packs so much power if you actually know the importance of discipline in trading. Make sure you have a set down plan, a written down plan. Follow that plan. Stay disciplined. This really helps if you have somebody to guide you, have a mentor that can help you stay disciplined. And if you're looking for somebody to tutor you, help you in your trading, link in the description. Go to my Telegram, you can contact me from there. So back to what I was saying, be a disciplined trader and you will get there as fast or sooner than you think. A lot of people take the round road, all because they don't know and they don't understand how important discipline is. All they think about is strategy, profits. At the end of the day, they keep losing. It is what it is. The last one is going to be trading psychology. What do I mean by trading psychology? The mentality. Is your mentality in the right place? Are you putting the right things first? Like I said, a lot of people focus on strategy, profits, but they don't focus on risk management. They don't focus on discipline. Make sure your strategy make sure your mindset is in the right place. Now this summarizes the first 2 things I said. If your mindset is not in the right place, you will not even understand. But now that I've watched this video, I'm very sure your mindset is going to be in the right place. So put your head in the game, get back in the game, focus on what is right, and let's get profitable. So if you guys like this video, if you found it helpful, I gave you so much value in such a short time. Do well to hit the like button, leave a comment if there's anything you want to know or anything you want to see, and I'll make a video for you guys. Subscribe to the channel. See you guys in the next one. Love.